Hello. Good morning again. We're back again. Pero nandito uli kami ngayon sa airport ng Hurghada, Egypt. So, ang dami nangyari kagabi. Sa sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari, tinulog ko na lang. Actually, doon kami natulog kagabi sa Ancient Hotel, El Gouna, Egypt. Wala lang, natulog lang kami doon. At tapos, gumising din kami ng maaga kasi ang flight namin ay 6 o'clock dapat, pero na-delay. Ginawang 7 o'clock in the morning. So, okay lang, isang oras lang naman eh. At saka malapit na. Flight back to Cairo. Domestic lang. So, isang oras sa travel. Babalik na kami sa Cairo at doon kami babawi sa Cairo, Egypt. Kasi wala kami halos nagawa kahapon. So, sa tingin ko ngayon, the whole day, may magagawa kami sa Cairo. Excited na akong makita yung yung Tatsulok. Yun. Basta mamaya na lang. See you in Cairo. Cairo International Airport. At pupunta na kami sa labas. May tour guide na nag-iintay sa amin doon. So, siya yung magiging guide namin. Your name is Ali.
Ali.
Yeah. Ali, nice to meet you. He is our tour guide here in Cairo, Egypt.
Okay.
Okay, we will going to Pyramid of Giza.
Very good.
Sorry, Arabic. No malum.
No, bro.
Very little.
English, sure.
English, why?
Sure.
Ibig sabihin nun, English, why? He can understand English. Just a little. The same thing, ako din, hindi ako marunong mag-Arabic. So, kapaan na lang kung paano magkakaintindihan. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Pyramid of Giza. Siya yung tour guide namin, si Mr. Ali.
بيراميدز ناس عايشين اهو.
Malapit na, natanaw ko na eh. So, may dinaanan kaming skinitis. Ganito pala. Bago mo masukin yung Pyramid of Giza. Nadaan muna kayo sa isang masikip na daan.
I'll be safe there, huh? I'll be safe here.
Kailangan namin sumakay ng kalesa. Kailangan mo siyang i-rent papunta doon. Hindi ka makakapunta ng pyramid kung hindi ka magre-rent ng ganito. Yung mga packages silang ino-offer. Ayan o, nagahay na yung kabayo.
Mr. Sobhi,
Mr. Sobhi,
take care of you. Nice, he take care of you, take care of him. Okay? Yalla, go up.
thank you. Ganun pala yun. Hindi pala ganun kadaling pumasok sa loob ng ng pyramid complex. Okay. Bumili kami ng ticket. Hindi mo mapapasok yung area talaga kung hindi ka bibili ng ticket. At isa pa, sa loob, kakailanganin mo rin ng transportation. Kagaya nga ng kabayo, nung kalesa,
Camel.
camel, pipili ka doon kung anong gusto mo sakyan. Bago mo mapasok yun, ang dahil magdadaanan pala. Hindi na. But anyway, eto na.
Ito na.
Dito na kami sa loob. Oh, dito pa lang ha. Kita na dito. Ba't kailangan pang magkalesa eh? Oh. Tingnan nyo, makita naman dito. Kailangan talaga. Kailangan may sasakyan ka. Sasakyan papunta doon sa pyramid. Kasi medyo malayo siya eh. Siguro mga 5 kilometers. Mga 10 kilometers na lalakarin kung lalakarin mo. So nag-rent na lang kami ng kalesa. Isa-isa namin pupuntahan lahat yan eh. Ayun na, service namin. Oh.
Women. But the nose is broken from French Napoleon Bonaparte. When he was in here, he got the nose by phone. Only he lose the nose. صباح الفل يا دار. Six with the children, 3 behind the Cheops, small pyramid,
Yeah.
and the 3 behind the Mykonos pyramid number 3.
Okay.
The Great Pyramid called Cheops, the second one called Chafrin, the third one called Mykonos.
Giza.
Giza, yeah, this is Giza. No, the meter. 147 meter. But the feet 400.
Okay. The height is 485 feet.
Yes, and meter 147 meter. And the second one 110 meter. 100,000 slaves who been buried in all these things. This is all these buildings. And then down here and here. This is the tombs of the slaves. The workers people build pyramids.
Oh, this pyramid.
All 5,000 BC. About 7,000 years old. And all Egypt have 72 pyramids. Yeah, this is the biggest, the best in all 72. And much different place, not same place. It started from Luxor, Aswan to the here. We call Saqqara, Memphis, Abu Sir, Dashur, much place in Giza.
Ganda. Sulit.
The youngest,
18 years.
18 years old. She gets married?
Yes.
All of them are married.
He's studying.
Oh, studying.
And I have each one I have 2 children. But
Nice. So you're a grandfather now.
yes. The new one.
How
the
many grandkids?
Dito naman kami ngayon sa Grand Egyptian Museum.